this is the water we eat. Actually, what happens is when you drink water, you consume around 2 to 4 liters of water every day, which is a small amount. Maybe 4 1 liter bottles is sufficient. But when you are eating food, food has its own water footprint because it has been irrigated, etc., etc. And you are eating as much as 5,000 liters of water every day into your food, which is a part of your food. Uh, 5,000 would mean you have those tanks, big tanks of 1,000 liters each, big ones, 5 of those tanks for one person every day. This is the kind of usage you have for the food. And it is not that this is a stationary kind of a situation. It's a dynamic situation in the sense that more and more people are being added to the earth all the time. Also, more and more number of people are actually now eating non-veg. And therefore, they have more protein-based diets. And therefore, there is a greater demand for water in terms of increased population on one hand. On the other hand, because of our diets changing to a more of component which is having more of non-vegetarian item. And in fact, agriculture would need to produce 60% more food globally and 100% more in developing countries using diminished water resources. So on one side you have loss of water and on the other side you need 60% more food globally and 100% more in the developing countries which are poorer. So these two factors, number one, the population growth, which would drive our populations from the current 7.6 billions in 2018 January to 9 billions by 2050, plus the per capita meat consumption. So these two together will actually result in a predicted kind of increase in food demand of 60 to 70% by 2050. And this is coming from United Nations. Various estimates indicates that if we are into the business as usual scenario, this would require 3.5 planet Earths. Now we have only one Earth and it's a closed system and there is no way you can produce more water. And therefore this is a very serious kind of a situation in which our food has started to have a lot of water footprint.